The Quantum JM31 from Thor Motor Coach. This unit comes with an 11 cubic foot residential refrigerator with ice maker, 2-burner gas cooktop, 30-inch over-the-range convection microwave oven, high-gloss glazed cabinetry with solid wood cabinet doors, hidden hinges, and nickel finish hardware, solid surface kitchen top, a 12-volt outlet in the bedroom for your CPAP machine. This unit can sleep 7 and has seat belts for 7. An exterior 32-inch TV on a swivel bracket. LPG 40.9 pounds. Freshwater 40 gallons, black water 31 gallons, gray water 35 gallons, and it has a tankless water heater. Automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls, heated remote exterior mirrors with integrated side view cameras. The unit comes with an Onan RV QG4000 gas generator. This is solar ready. Solar prep includes solar controller, touchscreen dash radio with navigation backup monitor, WineGuard Connect 2.0 Wi-Fi 4G TV antenna. The unit sits on a Ford E450 6.8 liter Triton V10 gasoline engine. Fuel capacity is 55 gallons. The GVWR is 14,500 pounds. The GCWR is 22,000 pounds. Trailer hitch rating is 8,000 pounds. A forward wheelbase of 219 inches. Exterior length without ladder 32 feet 2 inches. Exterior height is 11 foot 2 inches. Interior height 84 inches. Exterior width 99 inches. Awning size 18 foot. And the exterior storage is 44.5 cubic feet. Just had the washer dryer prep, and the price is in a good space, especially here, this Hershey Show price. So I was wondering if you could show us around and talk to us about it.
Yeah, for sure. So
she's already in there, but
yeah. So last year we rolled out our KW29, which is the one next to us.
Okay.
It's the only Class C in the market that has a king-size bed, stackable washer dryer prep, reclining theater seats, etc., etc. So, and we had a ton of success with that floor plan. So we wanted to kind of take that to the next level, go with 31 foot model that's got our hydraulic auto level, frameless windows, all the features you'd want to have. Okay. And put a washer dryer prep with a walk-in closet, add a little more pizzazz to it. So that's kind of how this floor plan came to be, and we're debuting it here. So we're excited about it.
Awesome. Awesome.
But yeah, huge walk-in closet there, which you can also do washer dryer. Okay. Because there's enough room to still have a lot of closet space in there. Yeah. But again, you're getting all the same features: reclining theater seats, nice big closet, big bathroom space. So it's a nice little floor plan for sure. And then you got 30 amp service on this, shore power.
30 amp, okay.
Auto gen start. You've got you're set up for solar, so you can do 220 watt panels. You've got inverter, residential refrigerator, basically everything you kind of want.
Nice. Now we've also been noticing, looking around, that a lot of the newer units are already coming equipped with like WeBoost or Wi-Fi rangers. Does this have anything like that? Yeah.
So this one you got WineGuard 2.0. If you're familiar with the WineGuard Ranger, so it has that same feature. It'll grab the Wi-Fi signal, amplify, but now this has the 4G capability. Awesome. So it's through AT&T, $360 for 12 months. Okay. So you've got 4G on demand right in your coach. Which is nice for families, especially if kids have tablets or something right in the back. You can just YouTube or whatever.
Well, exactly, and that's
kids are into nowadays.
That's the thing with me. I work remotely, so we struggle sometimes trying to find good Wi-Fi.
For sure, yeah. And I think as a lot of people know, you go to a campsite, and if you're parked towards the rear, you're not getting too much of that Wi-Fi signal. A
lot of times too, if you're in a campsite, it may be good for internet, or I mean for email or something like that. But as soon as you try to watch a YouTube video or Netflix, forget
about it. Yeah. So having that right on your coach, it's your own dedicated 4G network.
So there's dressers on either side. You can have those not there and put a washer and dryer in.
Correct. Yeah. So you would lose one side of that essentially.
Okay.
So on this one in particular, the way they set it up, it'd be a combo washer dryer in this.
Got it.
But there's the space if you wanted to lose one set of dressers, you probably could put a stack of one.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions about this video, put them in the comments below. Make sure to check our playlist here for more tours.